Every click, every post, every like are all part of your digital footprint. But how much control do you really have over what the internet knows about you? Now let's look at Digital Footprint Checklist, how to take control of your online identity. In today's digital age, our personal data is scattered across countless platforms. Whether it's your social media profile, online shopping history, or forgotten forum accounts, each leaves behind a trace. That is your digital footprint. More than just a privacy concern, your digital footprint impacts your reputation, increases your vulnerability to cyber attacks, and even affects employment opportunities. Foundation of online security. Your digital footprint comes in two flavors, active and passive. Active footprints are deliberate. These include social media posts, comments, and uploads. Passive footprints are created behind the scenes, like IP logs, browser tracking, and location data. Understanding this distinction is the first step in taking control of your digital presence. Why does it matter? Let's look at the cybersecurity implications. 89% of successful social engineering attacks use info from digital footprints. When criminals access your digital footprint, they can build convincing phishing schemes, steal identities, or impersonate you. Businesses and even governments are not exempt. So, attack will surface when footprints are unmanaged. Essential components of a digital footprint checklist. First essential component in a digital footprint checklist is social media audit and configuration. Start with a full audit of every social media platform you've ever used. Even that old MySpace account counts. Inventory all accounts, using tools like Namecheck. Review and update privacy settings. Remove risky content. Purge unknown contacts. 2. Search engine results management. Search yourself. Use different name variations. Check Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo. Document anything suspicious or inaccurate. Use reverse image search. Monitor professional reputation. Request content removal when necessary. 3. Data broker opt-out procedures. Data brokers like LexisNexis and Spokeo build massive profiles on you. You should opt out using services like Delete Me. Also, track your opt-out confirmations. 4. Email account security assessment. Your email is the key to almost every account you own. Secure it. Enable 2FA, prefer authenticator apps. Check for breaches. Have I been pwned? Consolidate unused email accounts. 5. Financial and shopping account management. Retailers and financial apps keep detailed records. Don't let that become a liability. Close unused accounts, delete saved payment info, and watch for suspicious transactions. Some professional network sites need balance. So, update profile professionally, remove inactive contacts, and watch your post activity. Other checklist methods include choosing DNS over HTTPS for encrypted browsing, use of VPNs, and use of browser extensions like uBlock Origin and Privacy Badger. Limit cookies and track app permissions. Implement browser and network level protections. Review permissions, disable unnecessary location tracking. Monitoring and maintenance protocols. Stay ahead with ongoing checks. Digital hygiene isn't a one-time task. Make it a habit. Schedule checks, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Tackling everything at once is overwhelming. Use phases for implementation strategy. Keep logs of account changes, opt-outs, and privacy updates. Think privacy first when using new apps or devices, and measure success using KPIs such as fewer concerning search results, fewer online accounts, less spam and phishing, fewer data broker records. Your digital footprint is more than just a record, it's your digital reputation. Audit it, secure it, and control it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out our other videos where we break down tech myths in plain English. For a complete security checklist and AI-powered tools you can use to protect your valuables, check out our website www.teleris.com.